We'll guide you through how to use Zapier for automation, making your workflows more efficient and streamlined. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up using your email address, or you can connect with your Google or Microsoft account for a quicker setup. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you'll want to create a new Zap. Click on the Create Zap button to get started. A Zap consists of a trigger and one or more actions, so first, you'll select a trigger app. Let's say you want to automate your email notifications with Slack. Choose Gmail as your trigger app, then select the trigger event, like New Email Matching Search. You'll need to connect your Gmail account by granting Zapier access. Follow the prompts to authenticate, then you can set up specific search criteria, such as emails from a certain sender or with particular keywords. Once the trigger is set, it's time to configure the action. Choose Slack as your action app, then select the action event, like Send Channel Message. Connect your Slack account and allow Zapier the necessary permissions. Then, customize the message format and choose which channel you want the notifications to be sent to. You can include dynamic data from the trigger email, like the subject or sender, to personalize the message. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working smoothly. Zapier will simulate the trigger and action to confirm the setup. If the test is successful, you can name your Zap and turn it on. Now, every time an email matches your criteria, Zapier will automatically send a message to your chosen Slack channel. This is just one example of how you can use Zapier to automate tasks and save time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.